Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find gestures and keys. Then let's tap on virtual keys and full screen gestures, so the second option, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on gesture navigation. Before we will do that, as you can see right now we've got the 3 key navigation applied and we've got the options, so let's tap on more settings, and as you can see you can for example reorder the back button and the recents and change the button location. As you can see I've got it on the right side, but you can set it on the left side if it is more comfortable for you. So this is how it works, but let's focus on setting the gestures. As I said, simply tap on the switcher and you can see that the 3 buttons navigation immediately disappear, and from now on we can simply use the gestures. You can customize them, just tap on more settings, and here basically you can change the back sensitivity to be lower or higher, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you really need to change the back sensitivity. Alright, and right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center until you will see this arrow and release the finger. You can do it from the left side too, so it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and be aware that it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture, however elongate it, and hold your finger somewhere here like that, and here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.